Good morning. This is Dr.B.Vijayakumar, HOD of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. The next topic of laser, Einstein A and B coefficient derivation. The introduction of Einstein coefficient. The Einstein A coefficient are related to the rate of spontaneous emission of light, and Einstein B coefficient are related to the absorption and stimulated emission of light. Stimulated absorption: when the external photon is triggered from ground state of atom, it reaches from existed state. So this is before absorption, then after absorption. The rate of absorption is given by RAB, directly proportional to rho n1. RAB equal to B1 to rho n1. Spontaneous emission: ground state, existed state. The rate of spontaneous emission is given by RSP, directly proportional to rho n2. RSP equal to A21 rho n2. Stimulated emission: the one photon is induced, but the two photons will be existed. That is a stimulated emission. So the rate of stimulated emission is given by RST is directly proportional to rho n2. RST equal to B21 rho n2. Einstein A and B coefficient or Einstein quantum theory of laser radiation. Under thermal equilibrium, the mean population N1 and N2 is lower and upper energy level respectively remain constant. Condition require that the number of transition from E2 and E1 must be equal to number of transition from E1 to E2. The rate of absorption is equal to rate of emission. So RAB is equal to RSP plus RST. So the B12 rho n1 equal to A21 n2 plus B21 rho n2. Rho B1 n1 minus B21 n2 equal to A21 n2. Then the rho equal to A21 n2 divided by B21 n1 minus B21 n2. So the divide by the second term of B21 n2, we get the next steps of equation 1 rho equal to A21 divided by B21, then 1 divided by B12 by B21 n1 by n2 minus 1. Then photon energy, we know that E equal to h nu. Then the Boltzmann distribution law, the relative population n1 by n2 equal to E power h nu by kt. So we substitute from the previous equation, we get the fourth equation. K is a Boltzmann constant and T is absolute temperature. The next one, according to the Planck's theory of radiation, the energy distribution rho equal to 8 pi h nu cube by c cube 1 divided by e power h nu by kt minus 1. So the A21 by B21 into 1 divided by B12 by 21 e power h nu by kt minus 1 equal to the fifth equation 8 by h nu cube by c cube 1 by e power h nu by kt minus 1. So the next step, we simplify the previous equation, we get this B12 equal to B21. That means spontaneous emission is equal to stimulated emission. The stimulated absorption is equal to stimulated emission. That means rate of absorption is equal to rate of emission. That is a condition to form in the Einstein coefficient of B. The next one, A21 by B21 equal to 8 by h nu cube by c cube, or A equal to B into the same term. So the equation 6 and 7 known as an Einstein relation, and 8 give the relation between A and B Einstein coefficient. So this is a reference I prepared the PPT. Thank you very much. We discussed in another one topic in a later in another one video. Thank you.